AI tools are changing so rapidly that the video that I shot 3 days back is obsolete. That video was about Windsurf. So, Windsurf is an AI code editor, the biggest competitor of Cursor. It is in news because OpenAI is going to buy it for $3 billion. But now they dropped Wave 9. So Wave is their big features. And Wave 9, they have introduced new models called SWE, right? So SWE, software engineering. So SWE 1 models, they have been dropped. And there is a long blog post. It's a long thing. I want to understand everything, but it is very difficult to read that much of text, right? Here's the idea. We are going to create a Chrome extension. This Chrome extension will give me a summary of the entire article. We will use Windsurf and the SWE models. So in this video, we are going to learn what is Windsurf, how good is their SWE 1 model, how to create Chrome extension, how to summarize articles, and how to use OpenAI API. It's a very ambitious video, right? So let's get started. Windsurf, of course, looks just like Cursor. On the left side, you see the Explorer. The middle area is where you will see the code. And on the right side, they have Cascade. So Cascade is their AI assistance. I'm going to use a SWE 1 model. So if you are on any paid plan, SWE 1 is going to be free right now. Later on, SWE 1 Lite is going to be free. One mini they are going to use for tab completion when very small context is needed. So I'm going to directly switch to agent mode and ask it to create the extension. It did not take long and it has created all the files that are required, including the icons. So icons is not something I was expecting. It has given me a summary of what all files it has created. It has given me important notes about API key security. This is nice, but it is hard coding API key. This is not something I would like. Now let's talk about the settings in Chrome. So open Chrome, right click on any extension and click manage extension. Enable developer mode and click load unpacked. This is the directory I'm going to select, and it is saying that it could not find the icons. Let me give this information. It created a Python file, generate icons.py. This is where it has created a simple icon with letter S in the center. Okay, created virtual environment. Okay, it is doing too much of work for something which is temporary. Retry, and we have our web page summarizer. Click on it. There is summarize button, but of course there is no API key. Add an option so that the user can enter OpenAPI key. So there we go. It has added the code. As you can see in the chat history that it does not show the code within the chat itself. It just shows how many lines it has changed and deleted. And of course you can click open diff. Another good thing is it is explaining what it has exactly done and how I can update the extension. I just need to click update and the extension is updated. Let's click the extension and click this gear icon. So this is where I have to enter the API key. I'm going to paste in my API key. Done. I'm going to refresh and click summarize. It is generating summary. It is doing something. Let's see. And there we have one paragraph of text. So not bad at all, right? Now how good this summary is, that will depend on the model. It used GPT 3.5 Turbo. So of course, if it uses any of the newer models, then the summarization will be much better. So Windsurf says that SWE 1, it uses 3.5 Sonnet 3.5 level of tool called reasoning, which is cheaper to serve. 3.5 Sonnet is usually pretty good. So not bad. That's all for now. See you in the next one.